Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is S.A.W. Karim, and today we'll be talking about making umrah to Mecca during the holy month. You know, it is written in the hadith that making umrah to Mecca during the holy month of Ramadan is akin to making a full hajj. So you guys, the Ummah of Islam, I'm urging you guys, if you're financially able and if you have the visa and everything, make a trip to Mecca during Ramadan, because it is taking advantage of the goodness. Because taking advantage of Hajj, taking advantage of every good deed is multiplied during this holy month. So I urge each and every one of you, take every advantage you can get. Take every single good deed and advantage so it'll be multiplied. You know, we need as many good deeds as you can on the day of recompense. Well, thank you for watching. My name's S.A.W. Karim, and remember your abdul. Remember your maker, and come to good.